Welcome to Mahatma Gandhi University, located in the picturesque landscape of Meghalaya. Our interesting range of programs provides an opportunity to choose the knowledge and skills as per the need. We have state-of-art infrastructure with fully Wi-Fi campus. The campus provides smart classrooms, well-furnished hostels, digital library, and fully equipped labs. Students have access to large acre sports complex, fully equipped gym, and music and culture center. We also provides various scholarship to students. Admission open now. Just walk into the campus or give a call.
UMLA ka North Shillong constituency uba Adelbert Nongrum menta ka sngi ha ka Dorbar Senrai jong ka sngi ka balai haba benrap ya ka Jingkylli balawanra adu UMLA ka Mauprem constituency uba Mohendo Rapsang Halor ka Jingpthei u IED bom halai umkra na ka liang uba Adelbert ulabu ya ka Jingkylli Halor ka Jingshah Siatiap uba Cheres Starfield thank you ka balaja ha ka step jong ka khatlai tarik unailar arhajar arpuwei Utay UMLA ulabu ka Jingkylli yo menteri ka kampo ying uba lakmen rembui da ka baong ba kumbala ban snothu ka Jingshah Siatiap yo ba che ka dei ka bala sela lupa hatu ka bor sarkar lengba ka tanat badai pej Halor ka te ka benta ki pha ban li Siatiap ne ban supha le kem yo ba che ha ka step khatlai tarik unailar ba da ka bolo ong ba ka ne ka dei ka ba ki paj ba ka jela ki kwa ban yo sngo ka jubab na ka sarkar Nakaliang uba lakmen rumbui ula jubab daga baong Halor katega benta ka sarkar kala shimkhya daga baladeb banbu eka judicial inquiry ka baladang ya shakmat menta bat ngindang ab ya ka kaipot ka banmi na katega kunhun ka bale eka judicial inquiry.
On the Rule 10 of the Rules of Procedure and Conduct of Business on this August House, it clearly spelled out about what we have to discuss. And it shall not only ask about matters pending before any statutory tribunal or statutory authority performing any judicial or quasi-judicial functions or any commissions or court of inquiry appointed to inquire into or investigate any matter, but may refer to matters concerned with procedure or subject to stage of inquiry. If it is not likely to prejudice the consideration of the matter by the tribunal or commission or court of inquiry. I have admitted this question, but the limitation for discussion on this is very limited. Ms. Adelbert, and I have to go by the rules and procedure and conduct of business of this August House.
Okay,
please.
We want a satisfied response from the Home Minister, Honorable Home Minister. Through you, Mr. Speaker, sir, I would like to put a specific question, and I want a specific answer. Honorable Minister, please don't be shaky, don't be coward.
Honorable Member, please ask specific question, supplementary question. This is a question of I have to go by the rules of procedure and conduct of business on by this book.
Yes, sir, I agree.
Simply as that.
Yes. So I just like to get a clarity so that this citizen of the state should know the mind of the government. I really wanted to know whether this incident taken place as what we observe is a pre-plan. So we just want to know the authority who gave an order to arrest or to shoot at sight. Please be specific, because I don't want to see that any authority should harass or suppress our innocent youth just to show to the world that we police, we are doing our own job.
You can answer for that. Hello.
Sir, as I said before, the government has already issued the notification number political 149/2021/3 date 20th August 2021, which will look into all those aspects.
Sir,
we need to.
Sir, you should understand. I'm asking my question. You do not answer my question.
Yes, respond.
No. I just wanted to know whether arrest or shoot at sight.
Be specific.
Because why? We have seen the statement. It was totally contradictory among DGP, among Chief Minister and Home Minister. Whom to believe?
Okay.
They are playing dramatic. You are alleging me that I'm dramatic. How can it be? Please.
Honorable member, this is completely objectionable. This kind of behavior is not something that we follow in this house.
Respect, you are not supposed to play dramatic out in this God's house.
Please sit down. I did not disturb you.
Honorable member, please take a seat.
Please sit down.
Honorable member, please take a seat.
Sir, the Honorable Home Minister has replied again and again and again that there is a judicial inquiry that is going on. It is inappropriate. So it's inappropriate for the Honorable Minister to say something when an inquiry is going on. And therefore, he has said again and again that let the inquiry come out and let the entire report come out of the inquiry. And based on that, wherever action is to be taken, will be taken. So that is assurance we have given. But the process needs to be followed. One cannot just stand up here and start getting emotional and starting shouting things like this when we are saying that we have taken concrete steps. So judicial inquiry is the most powerful inquiry that can be set up in this situation to ensure that facts come out. And that is what this government has done, because we want the truth and the facts to come out and let everybody know. So therefore, the minister has replied again and again. So I don't feel the reason why the member has to continuously ask this question when we have already replied that a judicial inquiry has been constituted, and let the report come in, and based on the report, we will take necessary action, sir.
I'm not satisfied, sir. Please ask the Honorable Home Minister. Please, this is the only platform that we have to discuss. That we need to know the fact.
Okay, this is the last question.
I have already replied, sir.
Ya virus rutin, ya ketika rutin. Sakat nuken ini empunya. Ai ketika COVID kat kendai. Kanoy kun persya ya kini ke kelam.